It has a big, bulbous head, beady black eyes, and 8 squirming tentacles. It's the octopus. Many would call it ugly and disgusting. The one thing they wouldn't call it is dinner. But in Korea, octopus is considered a delicious treat. And there's one popular way of eating it that doesn't require a recipe. They don't cook this 8-legged beast. They don't even kill it. They eat it alive. With 8 arms and over 1,000 suckers, the octopus is a mouthful. This meal won't go down without a fight. But sometimes it's not just difficult, it's deadly.
What happened to me was I was trying to eat it whole, and a piece of tentacle got stuck between my teeth, and I choked on it.
The vendor lived to tell the tale, but others haven't been so fortunate. So why would anyone eat a dish so slimy and deadly? It's simple. Koreans believe eating live octopus is a surefire way to build strength and stamina. That's why some who practice the ancient martial art of kendo love to eat it. Kendo demands concentration and endurance. But one of these students is at a disadvantage. American Ingram Jones has never experienced this boost from live octopi. Tonight, Ingram is determined to prove his courage and swallow the deadly meal.
Actually, I was taught in America, if it's alive, don't eat it. And I come to Korea and it's alive and they eat it.
Ingram watches carefully to learn the technique.
This is how you do it. This is how you eat it. This is the method.
They wrap the live octopus around the chopsticks.
Hamagata? Yeah, he's gonna eat the whole thing.
Put it in their mouths and hope their jaws are stronger than its tentacles.
Oh my God. Oh, you're right.
Now it's Ingram's turn.
I don't care. That's kind of big.
Ingram fights the grasping tentacles as their powerful suckers stick to his tongue, teeth, and the inside of his mouth.
Why not? It's really slimy. No.
He's had enough. Ingram may be a great kendo fighter, but he's no match for the octopus.
Chewing is not the problem. The problem is swallowing it because it's so slimy. And it sticks to your tongue. So it's hard to swallow when it's sticking to your tongue. That's very difficult. Sorry guys, I tried.
Ingram is left with a new appreciation for the courage of his Korean friends.
They're brave. They're very brave. I think they're very brave.
And he's also gained a healthy respect for the tenacity of the octopus.
This presentation copyright National Geographic Society 2007.